Hello everyone, welcome to the English class. This is Anju, your English teacher from the IS Guru. The topic that we are going to cover today is articles. Okay, in English language there are total 3 articles: a, an, and the. These articles are further divided into two groups, two types. The first one is definite article, which is the. It is used to refer to any particular person, place, or thing or animal. Okay, so we use the article the to refer to any particular place, person, thing, animal. The next one is indefinite articles, and there are two of them, a and an. A comes before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. And an comes before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound. Okay, so we are talking about sound here, not the letter that the word begins with. It's the sound. Some examples: a man, a lamp, a cat. These are examples of a. And then for an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. Okay, these are some examples of a and an. The is our definite article, and a and an are our indefinite articles. Now we are going to talk about uses of a and an. Alright, so a and an are used to indicate one person or thing. It may be used for anything or person. Example: a puppy came running towards me. A single puppy is the subject of the sentence, so we use a for a singular noun. Second use: to show a kind, a class, or a species. Example: I have a Labrador. Here, a Labrador refers to the species of a dog. Third point: to show a certain quantity. Example: there are a dozen oranges. So here we are indicating a quantity of something using a. Fourth use: to show profession, rank, caste, community, or religion of a person. Example: he is a general physician. Here a indicates the profession of a person. Next, he is a police officer. Here also a indicates the profession of a person. Now we are going to look at the uses of the. The is used before a noun when we want to particularize it. Example: we lost the game against Delhi Daredevils. Here in this sentence, the speaker is talking about not any game but the game that his team played and lost against Daredevils. Okay. Second point: before superlative degrees. Example: Three Idiots was the best movie of 2010. In this sentence, best is our superlative degree, and we are using the article the just before the superlative degree. Okay, second example: Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Again, here in this sentence, hottest is our superlative degree, and the comes just before the word hottest. Number 3, before it is the is used before words like first, last, next, only. Example: Sir Edmund Hillary was the first person to climb Mount Everest. So here in this sentence, the comes just before the word first. Okay, so number 4, fourth point. The is used before a common noun when that noun represents the whole class or the whole species. Example, the tiger belongs to the cat family. So the comes just before the tiger. Okay, next point. The comes before the names of newspaper, magazines, books. Example, the Times of India. The comes before unique things, the sun, the moon, the sky. It comes before geographical proper nouns, names of rivers, oceans, the Ganges, the Pacific Ocean. Number 4, holy or great books, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, the Taj Express, the Rajdhani Express. We use the with well-known buildings or monuments like the Taj Mahal, the India Gate. We use it for countries if it contains a common noun, not for all the countries. Example, the United Arab Emirates. Next, we use it for our directions, the north, the south, and we also use the to indicate the royal or the whole families. Example, the Roys, the Khans, and so on. Now we are going to look at omission of articles, where we can omit these articles. Okay, so articles are not used, number 1, before proper nouns. Example, Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Here Sachin and Mumbai are proper nouns, hence the is not used. Okay, second point, before abstract nouns, honesty is a rare quality. Honesty is our abstract noun, so we don't use the here. Next point, before material nouns such as gold, silver. Okay, gold is a precious metal. We don't use the gold, we say gold is a precious metal. Okay, so there are 3 omissions. We don't use the before proper nouns, we don't use the before abstract nouns, and we don't use the before material nouns. Okay, so now there are some exceptions. Whenever any kind of noun is particularized, we have to use the definite article the before it. Okay, some examples. The honesty of the young man impressed the interviewer. In this sentence, honesty is not generalized as it did in the previous example. Okay, the previous example. This example talks about a particular quality, that is honesty, of a particular young man, not any man, but the particular young man that the interviewer is interviewing. So therefore, the is used before honesty. Okay, second point, the gold that we purchased yesterday has been kept in the bank locker. In this sentence, the is used before the material noun gold. Why? Since the subject is the particular gold, not any gold, but the particular gold that the speaker bought the day before. Okay, is it clear? Third point, Sachin Tendulkar is often called the Bradman of Indian cricket. Okay, here we use the in front of Bradman, and Bradman is the name of a famous cricketer. Sir Donald Bradman was a great Australian cricketer. By putting the before Bradman, the proper noun has been turned into a common noun. Okay, meaning a great cricketer, a great player. Thus, the sentence means that Sachin is often considered to be a great cricketer like Bradman with respect to Indian cricket. Okay? I hope you would have understood the articles a and the omissions, the exceptions, the uses of a and an, and the have fun learning, kids, and thanks for watching.